Hey, it's Chris from Team Lamani, standing in front of your next coming soon listing. I'm out near Saltsburg. I have a 4-bed, 2.5 bath here with a 2-car integrated garage underneath, large outdoor entertaining space on the one side. You need a garage, you said? Massive outbuilding with large garage doors on both sides. I am sitting on 6 acres here, and let me show you what those look like from the air. Let me show you the inside. Call us, call your agent, call someone. Whatever you do, don't wait too long. This one's gonna sell quick.